Hello guys, it's Sara Haro here from Sara Haro Drift, and I'm gonna unbox Nuke Performance new product today. It comes in this box, super nice. See the box. Okay, I held it backwards, so it's not super easy backwards to open it, but forward, it's easy. What we got in here is a Surgetank. And in this box, you're gonna get all the necessary fittings that you'll need to install this on your vehicle. So you get everything with the box all in there. And then we have the fuel surge tank. But yeah, I'm gonna need both hands. So this is Nuke Performance 2nd generation fuel surge tank. It is a DW400 surge tank and it can handle over 1400 horsepower. 1400 horsepower on ethanol and dual DW fuel pumps. But yeah, it's freaking gorgeous though. This is a bad boy. I love it because the quality of it is insane. Like, it's so strong and it's so reliable and it's just so clean too. Like, look at this. Plus, it's from Sweden.